Hey guys, in this video we're going to do a size comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S10e versus the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So if you have an older Samsung phone, the Galaxy S10e, and if you wanted to upgrade to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then this is what is the physical difference between the two. So in terms of the design, both of the device had a curved edge on the side right here. However, the Galaxy S22 Ultra had a much more curvier edge than the standard S10e. At the bottom here, in the top, on the Galaxy S20 Ultra, 22 Ultra, it has a flat design, where the bevel on the S10e it is rounded throughout the top and the side right here. And at the bottom here, you can see on the Galaxy S10e, it has a headphone jack, the 3.5mm headphone jack, whereas on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, right here is an S Pen, and it does not give you the 3.5mm headphone jack. Instead, the headphone is used together with the charger port, the USB-C charger port. Over here is a loudspeaker, and you got the SIM tray at the bottom here, and then you got a microphone right there, right next to the SIM tray. And on the S10e, there is a microphone right here, and this is the loudspeaker. All right, moving to the right hand side. On the S10e, there is a power button, and the power button is also available on the right hand side. On the right hand side, on the S22 Ultra, it is just below the volume keys. So there is a volume up and volume down key, then you got the power button. On the S10e, there is a power button on the right hand side, and on the left hand side here, you can see there are no buttons at all. So there is no button on the S22 Ultra. However, you got some extra buttons here on the S10e. You got the volume up, volume down, and the Bixby key. So the Bixby key has been removed on the Galaxy S22 series. Now if we go to the top, you can see there is a microphone and a SIM tray on the S10e. Now with the SIM tray, there is, I guess, get a SIM pin. So there is an SD card as well as a SIM tray. So there is an SD card. It supports external SD card and a SIM card. So you got micro SD card right here and a nano SIM card right there. Whereas on the S22 Ultra, you only have a small SIM tray which allow you to put in a nano SIM card, and that's it. There is no support for the external SD card. It has been removed from the Galaxy S22 Ultra or the S22 series altogether. Now on the S22 Ultra, there is only one front camera. It is in the middle of the screen at the top, and here on the Galaxy S10e, there is also one camera, but it is on the corner, on the right hand corner. And at the top here, there is also a small speaker. As you can see, there is a speaker at the top here. There is also a speakers on the Galaxy S22 Ultra as well. However, it is very small. The gap is very tiny. You can't even see it. It's right here. If I zoom right in, you can see it is very tiny right there. You can't even actually see the gap. If you look very carefully, you can actually see it is around just 1mm gap. Alright, in terms of size, when you're holding side by side like this, you can see the size. The S22 Ultra is a lot larger. If I place on top, it is wider, larger, and you have a lot more screen space as well. And in terms of the weight, they both feel very similar. The S22 Ultra, ultimately, it is a little bit heavier than the S10e. Apart from that, with internal speed, it is a lot smoother to use the S22 Ultra. The hardware is a lot higher. The specification is a lot higher. You get better speaker, better cameras. The camera compartment at the back, you can see at the back here, we have the different camera compartment. This one here have 5 cameras. You got the zoom camera, micro cameras with sensors, flashlight. So you got 4 cameras here with sensors and flashlight. And over here is just a simple 2 cameras compartment with a small flashlight. And that's it. So that is the physical comparison. You can see how much larger it is and the designs, the different design between the 2 devices. And if you are thinking of upgrading to the S22 Ultra, in my opinion, it is definitely worthwhile to upgrade the phone. It is much nicer to use. The camera is much more nicer and a lot more features on the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.